LinkedIn. I love that's
LinkedIn?
where I see you.
Yes, I'm obsessed with LinkedIn.
I love LinkedIn.
Me too.
All
I
in.
love LinkedIn.
Yes.
That was fun. You're welcome.
Look who I found.
What's up, everybody?
And what's my next challenge?
She's gonna get used to doing daily LinkedIn video, sharing thought leadership from the dome, spitting fire on the regular, so that you can think the way she thinks and start crushing your business.
Yes. And what are we gonna do next? Crashed.
Yeah, well, it's right-handed, but you're taking the phone with the right hand, so.
All right.
There you go.
Hey Pete, hold this camera. What's up? Welcome to Vid Summit. I wish you were here, but hey, kind of good to meet you through camera, and have a good one. Bye.
All right, I ran into Benji.
What's
We were
up?
updating his LinkedIn profile
Yeah.
on the go.
And you know, I've been a YouTuber for 10 years, but I really believe LinkedIn is a place you want to be for online video outside of YouTube, of course.
Yeah.
There you
We're
go.
updating it. We're doing it live.
We're doing it. Benji Travis. Okay, that's. His mentor is Sean Kendall. By the way, okay, I know they gotta go on stage.
So I read Crush It, and I got madly inspired by the author, who was Gary Vaynerchuk. Welcome to Vid Summit. If you floss every day, your teeth will be.
Hey everybody, Judi Fox here, hashtag FoxRocks, and I ran into some cool people here at Vid Summit. Look who I got!
John, Marty, with Travis Chambers.
What do you guys think about Vid Summit so far?
So we're, as far as we know, we're the only LinkedIn influencers here.
Yeah.
And now LinkedIn is having its moment, and I focus on my efforts on LinkedIn the last 8 months, and I'm so glad I have.
Go all in on LinkedIn. Look who I ran into!
Ooh, what's up? Are we on LinkedIn right now? The reason I'm friends with Judi, other than the fact that she has the same name as my wife, is because she's crushing it on LinkedIn. I'm going all in on LinkedIn with my spare time. So thanks for helping me with my profile, by the way.
You're welcome. Hey!
Ooh, what's up?
What's up?
Hey LinkedIn, I haven't posted in a long time and I'm sorry for that.
5 a.m. challenge
It was a
starter.
lot.
Yeah,
up?
he blew up LinkedIn with 5 a.m.
Yeah, I started right here on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
LinkedIn, I've completely changed my mind about LinkedIn in the last 2 days, and I'm super excited to get going on that, but yeah, we haven't really used LinkedIn.
We got time for one more.
Okay.
Thank you, Owen. Hi, I'm Judi Fox, and we met last night, so I have a quick question.
Okay.
What changed your mind about LinkedIn?
You did actually,
So tell a little bit more about LinkedIn and what you're thinking.
well, I was checking it out this morning because I hadn't gone to my LinkedIn account at all, ever. I signed up for it. I knew I had people in there, but I didn't know I had it or anything. But just after talking with you and seeing your progression, what you've done, I'm like, okay, this is where I need to be. So I like to jump on LinkedIn a little early and be proud. So.
It's great to be on LinkedIn right now.
You're so biased, Judi. Give it up for Kristen.
LinkedIn video creator. I hit 1 million views in 5 months, and I'm here at Vid Summit because it is an amazing way to connect with incredible people making content, meeting creators, and business ideas and opportunities. So love it here, love this conference, and can't say enough great things about it.
Right here, and let's bring on the next speaker. Yes, you're the next contestant on Vid Summit Live.
I love it. And what are we playing for today?
We're playing for the right to drop a bunch of knowledge about your specialty, which is different than anyone else we've had on the show so far. So please start by introducing yourself and what you do.
Ooh, I am Judi Fox. I go by the hashtag FoxRocks, and I am a LinkedIn video and content marketing strategist.
Something that we've covered yet, I'd love you to drop some knowledge on video and building video and growth on LinkedIn.
So first, a lot of people think of LinkedIn as a job board, a place where they're just going to post their resume or it's just static. It is not that place anymore. It is more than a job board.
World for a lot of folks. What are some tips for making video and putting it out on LinkedIn?
Yeah, I know. We're so used to saying YouTube, aren't we? So putting your video out on LinkedIn, what you're going to do, first of all, just quickly roll down the tips I have. Make it square. It shows up really well on the platform if it's a square format. Second of all, a lot of people are watching these at work, so having captions is pretty important. If you can't make captions, but you want to eventually get to a place where you got captions. Third, you've got your length of the video. You can't go over 10 minutes. And a lot of videos do better if they're at the 1, 2, or 3 mark.
All right.
So the analytics also on the LinkedIn videos is not as deep as YouTube.
Okay.
But what you're going to get is who at the companies are watching your video. So you can see if 10 people from Amazon are watching. You can see if you're hitting your brands. That it is a amazing from that perspective.
So speaking about the brands that you want to start reaching out to, because a lot of folks are like, I want to get collaborations with brands, I want to get sponsorships. This is one of the ways that you can start getting visible to the brands that are out there because they're hanging out on LinkedIn.
Putting a video out there and just engaging in the community can get you those connections.
Yes, video is so powerful. It's for you while you sleep, while you party, while you play, while you travel. Now, Vid Summit is a unique experience. What's been special about it for you? What's different about Vid Summit?
I think it's been amazing. I've heard so many people say you get true connection with the people that you're interacting with. So you're literally talking to all the speakers, very engaged community, and you're not just getting the knowledge, but you're getting potential opportunities to collaborate, to continue the conversation past Vid Summit. I think that's key.
We're an example of that.
Yay,
we met here and we're going to collab on LinkedIn videos, right?
I think it's perfect.
Gang, if you try to get in to actually be here and network with everyone and talk to the speakers and have the collaboration.
And continue the conversation.
Love it. Thank you so much for joining us. We're going to see you in the next video. Stay tuned. I'll be bringing you more movers and shakers.
Rob Actis. I'm the #1 best-selling author of the book, The Law of Action.
Anything that you learned about LinkedIn?
I learned on LinkedIn in a video capacity as opposed to just typing.
Yes.
That's what I learned from this beautiful lady right here. I learned.
I started coughing. Vid Summit, it was amazing. And after that event, I realized how many of you are so excited to be on LinkedIn. Come join us. So I've teamed up with Michaela Alexis. We have decided to launch on one day a Zoom live coaching call with me and her. And we're gonna talk about all about how to be doing your amazing profile, super rockstar summary, how to show up on video, all the tips and tricks and everything, and then talking about social selling and the DMs, your direct messages where you want all the magic to happen. So come join us. I'm gonna put the links and I'm going to put it on my website, judifox.com. Yeah.
We are going to have so much fun together. It's me and Michaela Alexis, and you're about to see why her eyes are so wide. Oh my gosh, there's a fox face. Go to judifox.com.